Hey, what you got going on out here? You look like you got all my ramekins all over the place. You're just being fancy like me. What's going on?
You know what ramekins are?
Ramekins, little ramekin bowls and stuff.
I saw this on TikTok.
Uh-oh, we're doing a TikTok thing?
It was a long time ago, so it's probably not going to be the same. I'm sure you can see what the ingredients all are. I can explain that.
We got tortilla shells, we got garlic, we got bacon bits, jalapenos, we got some diced tomatoes, we got extra sharp cheddar cheese and Gouda cheese.
Smoked Gouda cheese that doesn't really have much of a smoke flavor.
Some mozzarella and some eggs. I know that you sprayed the bottom of that with some Pam and put one shell in there.
Yep, a little bit of Pam. You just throw a shell in there.
4 little eggs on top.
Just do 4 or 5 eggs, depends on what size you use.
These are extra large eggs. Extra large. Woo.
And we just put that on some, I don't know, probably like low heat to start.
Looks like he's got some salt and pepper. Oh yeah, he just had to play with my new salt shaker. Salt grinder, grinding mill, pepper too. Ooh, look at that, all purdy with the different colored peppers in there. A little bit of Tabasco.
A little bit of this tahini.
I was trying to go on this side because I'm in your way. A little bit of tahini.
I think what I'm actually going to do probably is just mix that. Mix the garlic and jalapenos. Some bacon bits. Oh, I forgot a little bit of oregano.
Put a little bit of oregano. Add a little bit of green in there. Just make it pretty. Just in a sprinkle dinkle just right on top.
I always like this to come out like a little more even. I wish I could get that to sit right there, but we just need to put some stuff over on that side to get it to sit there.
Ooh, it's looking pretty. Looking pretty already. It's like a little masterpiece. We don't remember what this is called, so this is just like a breakfast tortilla quesadilla kind of thing, but it is scrumdiddlyumptious for sure.
Just do a bunch of cheese on here. And all these ingredients are obviously, nothing's particular. You just do it to your personal preference and flavor. Some people might not want as much cheese. Some people want more. Terry says that there's never too much cheese. You do all that. Then you just put Put you another tortilla shell right on top of there.
Hoo-hoo.
And you just need to maybe put it on medium low.
Put a lid on it. Let it cook and melt. Where are we at now?
Oh, you have to flip it over. It's always really hard to flip over. If you can do it without cracking the eggs, that's nice, but they usually crack. But then I just take the rest of the ingredients and mix them together, put them all over top.
So the rest of your garlic, jalapenos, and all your tomatoes.
Just gonna put it all right in there. You just throw that on top of there. I took it off the heat because it's cooking a little faster than I had anticipated. Just kind of spread that all on there. And then just go over this with some fresh mozzarella. The original thing showed putting these on just in slices, but I don't know. They don't spread out enough, so I just slice the slices up into little strips.
All I gotta say is every time you make this, it's oh so good. We don't have it enough, but I now see why, because there's too much prep work for a breakfast.
That's why it's going to be a breakfast lunch.
That's fine.
That's what we do on Saturdays, usually breakfast lunches.
Brunch.
And then I just got a bunch of extra cheese, so it never hurts to just throw some more cheese on there.
I like cheese. I tasted it and it's not poison, so we're going to be good. And that Cabot extra cheddar.
Extra sharp cheddar.
Creamy
extra sharp cheddar is excellent.
That was so good.
I've never tried that one. It was from Sam's Club. I tried the regular grocery store one, but this one's a little better, I think.
I'm just going to put that lid back on and let that melt down, and then it's done.
Yep.
Yum.
And then we should be able to eat it tomorrow.
What? This is bullshit. I'm going to eat it today. And probably tomorrow. Heat it up. Whoa.
There it is. All melty and good.
Holy heck, look at that. That is beautiful.
All melty and good. And this is one of these meals that I think is probably perfect if you can get it where the eggs don't completely cook, where they kind of run out, but it's hard for me to figure out the timing of that. But you can't overcook this unless you burn the heck out of it. That's about the only way.
Gosh, the smell of that. It smells so delicious. I just cut it into like little pizza size pieces. Could use a pizza cutter probably.
Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be that hard to cut, otherwise I would have. Oh.